Hold on.
Fuck it, let's go. Let's go. Stop playing, yeah. Let's go. Yeah, man, we grown. All we can do is fuck up. Well, who gonna stop us, Puff? Yo, another one. No.
Another one.
Yeah, set it off now. Go set it off. Big keys in the block. Go set it off. We sitting in the back now. Go set it off.
Yeah.
Got Grey Goose on the table. Grey Goose sitting out for the label. White arms look like cables. Jewelry hanging on, niggas. Gotta go ahead and get my mind right. I'm losing time, so I ain't got my time right. Nigga Jay out in the streets carrying heat. Can't be defeated, ass I mistreated. Guns I'm gonna beat it and cock them back, shoot them off, knocking hats off. Chillin' jumping like a lawn. After that, nigga go ahead and get stomped. I'm a motherfucking roster, new Jamaican. Come through on the block, dog, J ain't Haitian. I don't play with niggas, know my name. They call me Trigger outside, every day I bang. 4 or 5 is long, down at my ankles. Nigga get close out of line, my shit bang you. Don't even get close. That's why I carry toast like my nigga QB. Fuck around, nigga say, who me? Nah, nigga, the shit it get dirty. I'm 730 with the lyric shit. We could go and get lyrical. Circus, matter of fact, trash your cereal. Right off the gun in the hammer, the police can't trace it. Matter of fact, go ahead, replace it. I got a fucking cup. I'm fucking up now. I'm freestyling, so fucking
You get right. I was feeling this shit.
That's
I'm about to freestyle right now. From a small town, 4 square miles, and the shit go down. Man, I'm chillin'. Got a bad bitch with me, she a villain. Leave 8 dots in your head like Krillin. Oh shit, Logan's goes in, cause the fucking flow golden. Probably just a video of the potent. Probably didn't notice the nigga just float. I do this shit easy, can you see me? Close my eyes, I open my mind, I open my third eye. Now I see so clearly. Niggas can't feel me. Even if you touch me, you can't fuck with me. Cause the shit I spit just come from my spirit. Coming with flows, hit your fucking soul. And when you hear it, I just feeling froggy, rip it. The shit I'm just spitting. I'm just going off.
I got some problems I just can't explain. This liquor easing the pain. This split is helping my brain. I'm going hard in the paint, like flock of flame. I'm going hard with them bricks. Niggas don't miss, looking like Shaq. When I'm at the line, you know I got packs. Like the Packers, I'm slinging that shit like Aaron Rodgers. And I'm moved out like the fucking Dodgers, like I'm out in LA. Got them both like you seen. Probably voting the thing. Nah, hold on.
Go hard like a nigga play for the Saints.
Right.
And I throw it like Drew Brees, nigga. I'm smoking that old weed, nigga. I be treating my mind clear. Niggas in the front got bitches in the rear. Everybody holding my gas, so keep shit clear. Cause y'all don't really want the problems around here. 4 square miles, like my man said. Come around here, 4 square, you be dead. They got a cemetery over here and one backwards. Don't even come for the shit, you don't want action. Charles Bronson with the shit kick you in your forehead. Guess what? You and your squad is all dead. Leave him on the corner, hot as a sauna. And nigga J rhyming, I just get warmer. I gotta go ahead and I'm tongue listed. Ass, I don't kiss it, my boss is explicit. Ass, I don't give a fuck about the shit. I come through on your block and reroute that shit. Fuck, what we gonna do now? The guns go off and everybody say now. But the kids gotta duck down, playing in the park when all my niggas spark after dark when the shit get light. Lights off, I'm Teddy Pendergrass going to the lights off. I hit the studio, they cut the mic off. And guess what? I even cut these dikes off. I don't play no games, I pop the bike off. Willie, flow, and my whole shit silly. Keep a hope on the street, no 9 milli when I'm outside, niggas still bumping off Trellies. Oh, come on. My fault, fuck it up.
E-Money Bands, get that
freestyling, man. Trying to get it.
I see you vibing.
I'm trying to find the pocket though.
Alright.
You know what I mean?
It's like R. Kelly. I ain't pissing on her. Not R. Kelly, but she pissing me off like I'm fucking R. Kelly. Can't hit me on my celly. I remember back days I had the next tail chirping, putting work in.
Got the font. I'm gonna give it to y'all when it's right.
Never be, yeah?